this might be one of your first, if not your first, political rally. Yeah, hands up for that, yeah. And it's because the stakes are so high. And I admire that. I admire that, but I also know that when the stakes are so high, it's unsettling. It's difficult. It's difficult for people.
Hello, everybody.
When I was managing those crises in Canada and around the world, I remembered that when I was helping others to work to build a strong economy, and now I'm drawing on them to stand up to Donald Trump and to build the strongest economy in the G7, an economy that works for everyone. He doesn't get any of this because, and I've seen this movie before around the world, there's a type of lifelong politician who worships at the altar of the free market. In this trade war, just like in hockey and in soccer, we will win. Like many of you, hockey has played a big part in my life. I grew up with the values I learned on the ice, at the kitchen table, and in the classroom. My parents were teachers who stressed the importance of hard work, of supporting our community, and of caring for other people. My hockey coaches taught me
I got my blues back. 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 I got my blues back.
yeah. Because said she took kind of
好的，这是大家最好。